So the last step, the last video deals with finding the standard deviation. And since we've already done a lot of this work already, because the variance, and sometimes neglected to mention in the last video, we use this symbol, this uh, circle with a line over it. That's a lowercase sigma. You remember that big Greek letter E? Well, that's the uppercase. This is the lowercase that we use to denote the population variance, okay? And for the sample variance, we use S squared. So then what happens is when you're looking for but I should really be writing this, the population standard deviation. If you want the population standard deviation, you just take the square root of the variance, all right? So we just say the variance, the standard deviation equals the square root of that mess up above. I guess I can rewrite it. The sum of all those squared differences over n, and the standard deviation for a sample is that. I won't rewrite that. You just take the square root of the variance. It's very easy. It's not any more complicated. So to go back and finish off that data I was working with, we had the variance for the population. I'm just going to take the square root of each of those numbers, and I don't have a calculator right on me, so I'm not going to actually crunch that number, but you can do that. Notice the sample variance and the sample standard deviation is going to be a little bit larger than it was with the population because of that n-1 feature. Okay, so that's all there is to finding the standard deviation. I'm going to ask you to do it tomorrow or Wednesday. Hope that helps.